Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 22, Ad Group Organization. Ad group organization is a critical aspect of a successful Google Ads campaign. It involves structuring your ad groups in a way that makes it easy to manage and optimize your ads for better performance. Here's a breakdown of key points for Lesson 22. 1. Relevance. Each ad group should be highly relevant to a specific theme or topic. This ensures that your ads are closely related to the keywords and audience you're targeting. 2. Keyword grouping. Group keywords that are similar in theme or intent together within an ad group. This helps you create targeted ad copy and landing pages. 4. Landing page. Ensure that your landing page is relevant to the ad. Groups keywords and ad copy. It should provide a seamless experience for users from the ad to the landing page. 5. Ad extensions. Use ad extensions to provide additional information and improve the visibility of your ads. Examples include site links, callouts, and structured snippets. 6. Tracking. Set up conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of your ad groups. This helps you understand which ad groups are performing well and which need optimization. 7. Optimization. Regularly review and optimize your ad groups based on performance data. This includes adjusting bids, refining keywords, and updating ad copy to improve results. 8. Testing. Conduct A/B testing to compare different ad variations and strategies. This helps you identify what resonates best with your audience and improves your overall campaign performance. By organizing your ad groups effectively and following these best practices, you can create more targeted and successful Google Ads campaigns.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.